Hi everyone, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm showing you how to make a strawberry and rhubarb cordial. This one is delicious and pairs really well with gin cocktails. It's simply equal measures by weight of strawberry, rhubarb, and sugar to begin with. So I know for a fact this is already 250 grams of strawberries. So I'm just gonna quarter them. So there you have 250 grams of strawberries. And next ingredient, rhubarb. So when it was rhubarb season, I actually purchased a whole lot and then I froze it. And apparently it helps break down the cells and you'll get more juice out of it that way, from what I've been told. So I want to cut this into, even when it's frozen, it's actually quite easy to cut. So just roughly cut into 2 centimeter chunks, and I will weigh up 250 grams of rhubarb. There's 250 grams of frozen rhubarb. And next we want to add 250 grams of white sugar. Add that to the bowl. And give it a stir through. So you want to evenly coat all the strawberries and rhubarb pieces and let the rhubarb defrost. A lot of that juice will be extracted when you come back in 2 hours' time.
1 nap later.
Welcome back, guys. I know I said that you could leave this aside for 2 hours, but I actually ended up leaving this in the fridge overnight and it's worked exceptionally well. There's so much liquid in here and it is really vibrant, nice rich red color to it, and the fruit, this syrup is extremely tasty. Yum, nice and sweet, but it's tart at the same time. So to finish this off, we're going to throw this on the stovetop and add 2 more ingredients. So in a medium-sized pot on the stove, add those ingredients, the rhubarb, strawberry, the syrup, the whole lot. And it shouldn't take very long. All you want to do is heat it until it starts foaming, which, especially on this induction top, does not take long at all. Now to that, I'll add the juice of 1 lemon, which is about 30 ml, 1 ounce, and 1 cup 250 ml of water. Just give it a stir and let it heat up. So now that it's started to foam, just take it off the heat. So make sure you use a sterilised bottle. That'll make sure your syrup will last as long as possible. Now you can wait and let this cool before transferring it into a bottle, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to transfer it straight away. I'm just going to ladle it because I have a lot more syrup. I'm going to split it up across a couple of bottles, but I'll fill this one. It's really nice, vibrant colour, which is going to go extremely well in a summer's Negroni, which I'm about to make. So make sure you check out the link in the description. And before I go, with the leftover fruit, the rhubarb and the strawberry, it is quite sweet because there's already been sugar added to it, and it is very tasty, so don't let that go to waste. You could use it in a jam, you could put it into some kind of pie, you could spoon it over ice cream. It is delicious, it's tasty, so don't let that go to waste. But there you have a strawberry and rhubarb cordial, so stay tuned for the cocktail that I'm going to be using. Cheers.